Hello, dear children. Welcome back to the English class. So, in the previous class, we have finished the question and answers from this lesson, and even though we have finished a true or false also. So, today I am going to give you the activity that is working with words. Okay, so that is working with words. Find words in the story beginning with. So, here is the activity that is we have to find the words beginning with the letter M, W, S, P and D. So these words should be from this story. Okay. So from the story, ninth lesson, that is the naughty monkey. So the words must be begin with the M, W, S, P and D. Okay. Let's do this. So here I wrote the words which begin with the letters M, W, S, P, D. So these words from the lesson 9. Okay. So the first one begin with the M letter. Men, monkey, mother, maid, me. This just E has repeated here. But the word is M-E, me. Okay. Men, monkey, mother, maid, me. The next one begin with the letter W. Was, wedge, went, were, oak, wood, working, work, we. So here also you can see children, E has just repeated. So this is the word we. W, H, double. It's a continuation of E. Okay. So we. So once again, was, wedge, went, were, oak, wood, working, work, we. So these words begin with the letter W. The next one begin with the letter S. Sat, saw, shouted, shrieked, sleep, some, soon, stopped, Swiss, sang and snap. Okay. So once again, sat, saw, shouted, shrieked, sleep, some, soon, stopped, Swiss, sang and snap. So these all the words begin with the letter yes. The next one, P. Played, pulled, pushed, put. Played, pulled, pushed, put. The last one is begin with the letter D. Danced, dangerous, day, deep, did, down. Okay. So once again the words are danced, dangerous, day, deep, did and down. So here we have completed the activities, that is the finding the words in the story beginning with these letters. Okay. So here at the end of the page you can see a question, that is which is the longest word that you found. So here in this group can you tell me the which is the longest word, children? Yes, any guesses? Yes. So the longest word is, here is the answer, is dangerous. Okay, you can count the spelling also. This is the longest word among these words. Okay, so let's write here. So here I wrote the answer, that is the longest word is dangerous. D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S, dangerous. Okay, D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S, dangerous. So this activity you have to write in your textbook itself, children. Okay, no need to write in your classwork book. So just complete in your textbook, page number 75. Now let's move to the page number 76. Let us see the next one, that is learning about language. So this is the next one, that is learning about language. So here you can see doing words. So what is the heading, children? Doing words. Read the sentences. Look carefully at the doing words. So here we are going to learn about the doing words. Ritu eats mangoes every day. So in the bracket you can see every day. Next, second one, Ritu is eating a mango now. In the bracket what is there? Now. So now Ritu ate a mango yesterday. So yesterday is a past. Already it has passed. So it is a past. So here you can see eats, eating, ate. These all doing words. But you can see in the bracket that is everyday, now and in the past. That is we can understand as present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay. So along to this one more you can see a exercise that is related to these doing words, which doing words tell us about the past. Okay, so write them in the blanks. These all the doing words, that is look, play, drink, laugh, eat, see, find, walk, shout, run. So these all the doing words. Now we have to write the about the past. Okay, so this we have to, these words we have to write in the past tense. Okay, so look, looked, see, saw. Next, play, played, isn't it? Next, find, found, drink, drank, walk, walked, laugh, laughed, shout, shouted, eat, ate, run, ran. Okay, let's write the answer here. So here you can see answers, children. Play, played, P-L-A-Y-E-D, played. Find, found, F-O-U-N-D, found. Drink, drank, D-R-A-N-K, drank. Walk, walked, W-A-L-K-E-D, walked. Laugh, laughed, L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed. Shout, shouted, S-H-O-U-T-E-D, shouted. Next, eat, ate, A-T-E, ate. Next, run, ran, R-A-N, ran. So this all tells about the past. Okay. So this you have to write in your classwork book. Only these 10 words you have to write in your classwork book. Very important. Okay. The next one is listening and speaking. Talk about the story. What do you think happened when the men woke up? Give your own ideas. So here they have given a activity, that is we have to talk about the story and we have to think that if that man got up, if the man woke up, then what they have done for that monkey, isn't it? So what is your idea, children? Yes, when the man woke up, they must have been stunned to see the baby monkey, isn't it? Because it got stuck on the log. They would have been angry too, as the monkey had taken out the wedge, isn't it? They maybe got the angry. So, but seeing the baby monkey in a lot of pain, they must have taken its tail out of the cut in the log by opening it again and putting the wedge back. So, it may be happened like that. The monkey should have learned its lesson. From this, the monkey should have learned a lesson that we should listen to the elder one. That is our opinion, isn't it? Yes. The next activity, look at the next one, that is draw a picture of the monkey and write a few sentences about your you think happen. So this is your homework. So you have to draw a monkey in this place and you have to write a few sentences about what you think happened. So some words to use. So here you can see in the green box, you can use these words, that is jumped up, naughty, very frightened, helped, very happy, never, again. Okay, so you can write the sentences like this. The naughty monkey jumped up on the log. His tail got caught in the cut. He was very frightened. The two men helped the monkey. Okay. Next, the monkey out of cut in the log. Then they bandaged its tail too. So you can use the words like this. The monkey was very happy, isn't it? So it was very happy. Then He thanked the kind men and ran to his mother. So he promised never to be a naughty again. So he never to be a naughty again. So you can write the words, some words like this. Okay. So that is your homework. So you can use this space. Okay. So these are the activity we have completed here, and we have completed the 9th lesson also. Okay. So your homework is you have to write this one, and after that you have to write these 10 words in your classwork book. That is your homework. Okay. So see you in the next class. Take care and complete your classwork book. Thank you.